क्या बच्चा क्या जवान, हर किसी के जुबान पर मोदी बस गए हैं, क्योंकि पूरे भारतवासियों को लगता है कि इस कठिन घड़ी में आज नरेंद्र मोदी ही एक ऐसे विकल्प हैं जो भारत को संकटों से उबार सकते हैं। ऐसे में साहित्य से जुड़े लोग भी अपने आप को कैसे रोक सकते थे? तभी तो देश के अलग अलग भाषा के जाने माने साहित्यकार नरेंद्र मोदी को प्रधानमंत्री बनाने के समर्थन में आज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब में एकत्रित हुए, जिसमें एसएल भैरप्पा, नरेंद्र कोहली, जॉय डिक्रूज और यंग नॉवेलिस्ट तुहिन सिन्हा शामिल हुए।
I was attending a program in Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari, the entire the crowd, it was mob. It was a mob. It was mob. It was the big crowd was in jubilation, and the crowd was between 18 to 30. And this was the most of the crowd, and they were in jubilation. So when they were in jubilation, that means they are longing for something, and they are not finding anything. So they wanted a dedicated, very strong leader, and that leadership is missing. So the youngsters, they are looking for something, and Narendra Modi has become the hope of the youth of India, and that is what proved in that meetings and that jubilations. Narendra Modi, a dedicated son of Bharat Mata, and he knows what is to be done and what is the need of India, not the want of India, need of India. He knows that and he will do it.
नरेंद्र मोदी संवेदनशील राजनेता है जो आज की आवश्यकता है।
देश की सुरक्षा पर उनके विचार, देश की समृद्धि पर, विकास पर उनके विचार और देश के सम्मान पर उनके विचार। मोदी ने आप उनके भाषण 10 जगह के सुनेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि स्थानीय समस्याएं जो है वो किस तरह से करते हैं।
See, I worked in Gujarat for 6 years, and after I left Gujarat also, I have contact in the sense I have been visiting Gujarat almost once in a year, and I am seeing with my own eyes the progress that Gujarat is making under Narendra Modi. So he is a very capable leader. Now in this state of affair, India has gone deep down in every aspect, economy and corruption, everything. It is only, to my mind, only Narendra Modi is capable of lifting India.
I have always believed that Mr. Modi provides a much better governance model for the country than what the Congress does or what the AAP can ever do. I have never come across somebody who's so passionate about his ideas for the country, about the changes that he wants to see in the country, about his aspirations for the country. I have never seen somebody that passionate about the country in this generation.